Okay, this is a sort of follow-up video on one I made earlier on these Hourglass LED kits. There's a YouTuber named Roger Kran, I'm probably mispronouncing that, posted that he'd like to use it as an actual hourglass. So I've got a little lithium battery hooked up to this. You just saw me switch it on. Now if I press the push button, you can see at the moment there are 5 rows, the 5 bottom rows of LEDs are flashing. That means it's set to time 5 minutes. When I press the button, it would now be 6 minutes, 7, 8, 9, 10. One more press and we're back to 1 minute, so it can do anything from 1 to 10 minutes. I'll just go for 2 minutes for now. And when you're ready to actually start the timer, you do a long press on the button. So now it's showing the egg timer full and sand running down to the bottom, and it would take after 2 minutes it would start to flash. But rather than make you wait that long, I'll show you if I'll press the button to interrupt it, and we'll just do a 1 minute one. That way the video won't be quite as boring. So I'm going to start it off now on a 1 minute one, and while it's running I'll tell you a bit about it. If you want to make one of these, go on AliExpress or eBay, look for the kit that's got 57 LEDs. Some of them have got fewer than that. You want the ones with 57 LEDs, and there seem to be 2 variants. There's this one which has got the small surface mount chip, so it's a bit more difficult to solder, but it also tends to be the larger memory version of the chip with 4K of RAM. It's a STC 15W204. And then there's also a version that's got an easier to solder chip socket and a plug-in chip. Now we're nearly finished now. So you'll see when it gets to the end, it just flashes all the LEDs to tell you time's up. And that should have been about a minute. And then a short press on the button and you're back to the setting display. It's remembered that it was on 1 minute. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, we'll start it on 5 minutes while I finish off. Yeah, I was saying the other version has got the larger surface mount, non-surface mount chip in a socket, so it's easier to solder. But it also tends to be the variant with less memory, the STC 15W201. Anyway, this code will fit in either. It's less than 1K. If you want to download it, it's very easy. You just need a serial interface, and I'll put the instructions in the code and in the link. You'll find the code and the hex file you need if you want to download this to your board in the description to this video. You can like and subscribe if you want to do that. And you'll also find the earlier video if you look through my channel with this thing, where it's doing different patterns rather than pure egg timer. Okay, there we go. Thanks for watching.